Good evening, everyone. This is just a short little YouTube video to show you how to get a pulse into Bach Prelude number 21. There are 30 seconds in every bar, and you can't bump out every note. You have to feel a pulse, and if you ask yourself what is a pulse or a beat, because Bach is color, control, and beats, it won't be alive if it doesn't have that pulse. And you think of your heart rate, your heartbeat. You put your two fingers behind your ear and you press and you feel that ka-thump, 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 ka-thump. That you're feeling the life force, you're feeling the contraction, the squeezing of your heart to send the blood through your veins, to send oxygen out to the parts of your body. And you got to feel that as a life force. So it's the same thing as feeling if you're coming down into the keys and feel that you're creating that squeezing motion, that hydraulic sense of and then think of Big Ben, think of the clock, think of the ticking of the clock, and tick, 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 tick. You can visualize that, so you got to hear that in your piece when you're playing. So if you practice it in block groups, you think 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And it's not 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the other way around, because it's written into the music to know that beat 1 is an important beat. So don't emphasize it. Just go 1, 2, 3, and going from there, imagine a hurricane comes and lifts you up, lifts the roof right off the house. Everybody in it, everything goes up in the air, and then settles over the top and comes crashing right down through, but slowly, but right through to the ground. So yum, 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 yum. You can feel then 1, 2, when it's broken into the notes, 32 notes, then you can think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So kind of stop after 3 and go in your slow practice and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Because when you can get da yum, da yum, da yum, that's what links your right hand to your left and gives it that propulsion. So when it'll really start to take off for you when you can do a lot of stopping on that third count, 1, 2, 3, and then going 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The stopping on the third count kind of activates the 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can play around with it and put a little bit of rubato in there. It's even kind of written into the score to do that. So, but only when you can get the pulse going and the rhythm. I need to practice it an awful lot where I stop after that 3. I say 1, 2, 3, and then I think 4, 1, 2, and I ride it. It's like riding the surf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It becomes fun to practice then. So anyway, I hope that gives you a couple of ideas on practicing that. Bach is control, color, and beats, and so you have to understand what a beat is and hear it as such, and hear it like the clock. Imagine while you're playing it that you're hearing a clock ticking, steady and very secure throughout the piece. You can't miss any of the beats. So anyway, I hope that gives you a few ideas to make you want to practice it. Have a good night now. Bye-bye.